we really think that these Bitcoin treasury companies are the 21st century financial services firms, right? So UTXO Management is the asset management arm of BTC Inc. And so to conceptualize our business, we have the conference business, we have the media magazine business, and then we have the asset management business. And so we run a hedge fund, long biased Bitcoin focused hedge fund, as well as a smaller venture fund. And so, really, with our hedge fund, we're targeting opportunities in the Bitcoin space, more liquid, and really the idea is to because the team has the experience, has the time in the market, has all of the network and connections, vis-a-vis the Bitcoin space, we can kind of find where the next level of infrastructure and growth in companies are going to come from within Bitcoin. And so that's really what we try to do is to outperform Bitcoin net of fees for our investors, not to be a replacement for Bitcoin, but to be a complement to investors' Bitcoin exposure. And right now, a lot of our focus is on these Bitcoin treasury companies, like a strategy. But our thesis is that we're taking the strategy concept and really exporting it across the globe, where we think that every major capital market around the world will have its own macro strategy, its own Bitcoin treasury company. And we really think that these Bitcoin treasury companies are the 21st century financial services firms, right? They're the next level of financial services firms. But initially, the OG gold treasury companies were the banks, and that's where we think Bitcoin is headed. There's going to be a lot of financial services, credit, everything else built off of Bitcoin being that collateral base. And we think it's the best collateral base for all the things we've already talked about on this call, right? The scarcity, the easy to transact, easy to move, easy to verify, all of that. And so we're not there yet, but we think over the next, 10, 20, 30 years, these are going to be some of the biggest companies in the world.